Maybe he doesn't want you to take it from him. You get the impression he doesn't want you to... Give it to him, Jim. Whatever he wants, give it to him. What do you got in there, some meat?
There's some bread, actually. I don't know.
It's a sandwich.
Yeah, it's a piece of bread. Hey, shush.
There's meat there, honey. He's eating the paper.
You can see why Coyote survived.
There used to be a bounty on these, didn't they?
In fact, there still is, unfortunately.
Really? Oh, that's
They're
too
just
bad.
beginning to realize they do a tremendous amount of good by keeping jackrabbits down. But,
Boy, that's not a pet you'd keep around the house, though.
well, no, except there are very few of these around. This belongs to a friend, Bob Davison in Utah. And this was taken before its eyes opened as a young one, and it hasn't developed this fear of humans. And it will never bite. That's the amazing thing.
Really?
Not so far.
Ah. Okay, now we have another animal here tonight, so we'll take the coyote.
George, would you hold this?
Just- is it-
You're going to...
No.
Just hold it fairly
Jim.
tightly, that's all right.
Just hold him tight.
He's fine, yeah.
All right.
Oh, hold him tightly, George. George, show him you're your master.
Yes. Say, fool, I'm your master. Don't you dig me?
It's your fault, George. George, I told you not to do that. We'll be right back.